What I tell people most times is what you allow to continue now is what is going to continue later on in the future. What you endure now is what you will keep on enduring in the future. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to have you all back here once again on this channel. I do hope that this video meets you well and at the point where you really need it. Long time no vlog. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. So today we are going to talk about knowing when to stop, knowing when to say I've had it up to here and I cannot take it anymore. Be it a cordial relationship we have with people around you, be it a relationship that is getting serious, or be it a marriage. Yeah, knowing when to stop is really important. Like if you're in a friendship or in a situationship where you know that you are being really disrespected, anything you say or do, this person, your significant other, just flares up at you and takes it to another extent. I think that this is the time where you need to have like a mental evaluation, go back and think about your life and think if this is how you want to continue being perceived by other persons, because of course you deserve every value and respect in the world. Even if you're married, and because these days we have men being abused in relationships and women being abused in relationships, just that the statistics of women being abused is more than the men, because of course men are made stronger than women. So some women get beaten mentally. Sometimes abuse is not even physically, sometimes it's mentally and emotionally. If you find yourself in such a marriage or such a relationship, my dear, why are you still there? Why are you not running away? It's time to say I am done. Like, I've had it up to here. There are people in beautiful marriages, there are people in beautiful relationships. Like when you see them, their skin glows. So why would you be in a relationship or in a marriage and you are really being disrespected, you are beaten every day, you are insulted every day, you are being mocked based on, let's say, your physical appearance or maybe something you've done in the past? They are still using it against you. Why are you still there? Why are you not saying this is the point that I need to sit down, because I really deserve every form of respect and someone out there deserves me? Like, someone out there will be better for me. This is the point where I need to say, oh, I'm done. Like, I'm done, I need to go. So if you're in a place where you are not being given the respect that you do deserve, my dear, please advise you today, walk away, because there's another person out there that would value you for who you are. The scars, everything you've been through in the past, the person will not even look at it. The person will overlook it and take you for who you are. But if you are with the wrong people, there is nothing that you would ever do in this world that will be good enough for them. So since it's that way, why are you still there? Why are you not walking away? So I know these two people, they're in a very serious relationship, and what I tell people most times is what you allow to continue now is what is going to continue later on in the future. What you endure now is what you will keep on enduring in the future. So I have these two people that are really close. So this particular girl was celebrating her birthday some weeks ago, and so this guy said, okay, since I am dating you, I want you to come and spend your birthday with me, and you know that definitely is going to be all sorts of enjoyment and all of that. So he told her that he needed her around and that she should just come around and have her birthday. So she was like, okay, fine and cool. And this girl came all the way from wherever she was down to this guy's place. And do you know the surprising thing? This guy, on her birthday, the only thing she heard was happy birthday. There was no form of celebration, there was no form of party or whatever. But don't get me wrong, this particular guy never celebrates his birthday. He doesn't see it as anything of value. There is nothing significant about his birthday, so he doesn't even see it as anything of importance at all. And then he hardly spends on himself, not to talk more of spending on another person. So when it was her birthday, there was no form of celebration, no form of party. Believe you me, this girl never said anything. She was just there. She didn't say anything, she just let it slide. So that's it. When I sat down, I was telling one of my friends that you see what this particular girl is enduring right now in this relationship, that when everything escalates, I hope she won't start saying, oh, I saw the signs, I saw the red flags and all of that, but I did not believe. I hope that she will not later have a mental breakdown. Because at the end of the day, if you do not value yourself enough to know that there is someone out there for you who would appreciate you better, then you don't really deserve that respect. Because I cannot imagine on my birthday, okay, you've asked me to come around, I am around, and nothing is being done. Everywhere is like a graveyard. Wrong association stops acceleration. When you're with the wrong set of people, you don't think far. There is no longer a positive way of reasoning. Oh yeah, people that are saying, this life no balance. Why is this life no balanced? Are people out there not making it? Or there are people that are saying, oh, there is no need of going to school because it doesn't matter. No need of going to school. Meanwhile, there are so many persons out there that their certificates are working for them. Your sense of reasoning will keep diminishing. But when you are with the right persons, there is this form of upliftment. You start thinking positively, and everything keeps changing positively around you. Your skin will be glowing, it won't look old, you'll be happy. There is this form of joy. You're even happy that, oh, there's actually somebody that you can call at the end of the day, or when things are not going well, there's somebody that is out there that will share in your joy, your sorrow, your grief, everything that you're going through. But when you're with the wrong set of people, you can't even share. Every time you're scared. What are they thinking about me? Are they going to perceive what I want to say in the way that I do perceive it? Are they going to share in my joy, in my happiness? Are they going to be happy, or do they want to take what I have away from me? Are they going to be jealous? So if you are in that form of entanglement, you need to let go. You need to appreciate yourself enough. You need to show yourself some form of love. Let go of such persons and tell yourself that you deserve better. Even at your workplace, I remember there was this particular lady that was applying for a job here and there. So one day she got a call saying that, oh, I want you to come around. There is a job opening somewhere. You are going to be a PA to a particular law firm under one woman. So she accepted. The pay was just 35,000 naira. So she accepted. And when she started the job, from PA, it became go and pick my son from school, go and get me spices from the market, go and get dresses, shoes for my son, you go and do this, go and do that. It now became personal errands. And let's say it was even more of a command. There was nothing like some form of, please, can you help me do this? Please, can you help me do that? I know it's not convenient for you, but can you help me do this at so time? It was more of command. Later on, she just spent 1 month there and she ran for her life because, of course, she knew that she deserved more. And the period when that lady wanted to leave, she came to the office and one other woman was speaking to her. And the woman said, I hope that your boss has not slapped you. She was like, and the woman was telling her that this particular lady has worked with so many persons that she's so rigid, and most times they end up running away. They don't even stay up to a month. The girl respected herself enough, picked up her things and ran for her life. You need to know that you deserve more. You need to know where you are. You need to know where you're coming from. You need to know who you are. You need to know that you don't have to be endured or tolerated in a particular place. You should be welcomed and appreciated. You are being beaten in a relationship that is not even married yet. What will happen when you guys become married? You are being beaten, you are being insulted, you are being scorned, you are being mocked, your values are not aligning. This one is saying one thing, the other one is saying another thing. I know it's very, very difficult, especially when you guys are married. It's very, very difficult to let go. Because I remember one of my friends told me that there was one day he got a call from one of his aunties that she wanted to leave her home, that the husband was always beating her. And if you see this man, so big, like he has these giant hands, so tall, and she's so small. So the man beats her regularly. Neighbors have tried to calm the situation down over the years, and she was like, she can't die in this house, she has to leave. So there was this particular morning, this man, her husband, got up He usually goes for road walks and all. So he got up, he leaves by 6 and then comes back, let's say around 8. So he got up, went for his road walk, and then she called this my friend now and asked him to come help her pack her things because she needed to leave that very day. We don't know how this man that usually comes back by 8 did it, whether he got an information from one of his neighbors. We really don't know how. This man that usually comes by 8 came back that day 6:30. He left the house 6 and came back 6:30 because this my friend now was waiting by the gate for him to leave for his road walk so that they'll just pack everything quickly and leave. He came back by 6:30 and asked the wife, her things were already outside, asked the wife what was happening, asked this friend of mine what was happening. He said, he just gave her up. He was like, your wife called me to come and pack these things, or pack her things to the house. That was like how he took the wife inside and said that panel beating, like he beat her up. I don't know what their relationship is at the moment, but imagine being in such a relationship where you are even pregnant and you are being beaten every day. Is it until you die that you leave? You don't have to be single before you find someone else that's better for you. Please find your way out of such entanglement. Now, if you are in a friendship as well, because friendships are supposed to, be vibes upon vibes, a give and take situation where you are there for me and I'm there for you in good times and in bad times. If you are in a relationship or a friendship where you know that it's not like that, one person takes more and you are always at the giving end, my dear, run for your life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Even though it's really short, I do hope that I was able to deliver. I do hope that you understood everything, every word that I said. Thank you all for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video when you are in a healthy friendship, relationship and marriage. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.